today's video, I will going to give my answers to the given questions given by my professors. And this is my prelim exam in the subject Forensic Chemistry. So question number 1. What is forensic science and how it contributed to the administration of justice? Forensic science is the application of science to those criminal and civil laws that are enforced by the police agencies in the criminal justice system. Forensic science is a critical element of the criminal justice system. Forensic scientists examine and analyze evidence from crime scenes and elsewhere to develop objectives findings that can assist in the investigation and prosecution of perpetrators of crime or absolve an innocent person from suspicion. So question 2. Define forensic chemistry and give at least 5 types of evidence it deals with the purpose of examination. Forensic chemistry is the application of chemistry and its subfield. Forensic toxicology in a legal setting, a forensic chemist can assist in the identification of unknown materials found at the crime scene. Specialists in this field have a wide array of methods and instruments to help identify unknown substances. And here are the 5 types of evidences. First, circumstantial evidence, a kind of evidence which seeks to establish a conclusion by inferences from provided facts. Next, the direct evidence, that which the senses perceive any fact to which a witness testifies based on what he saw, what he heard, smelled, touched, or tested. It is a direct evidence. Next is the hearsay evidence, a statement made by a witness. Hearsay evidence, a statement made by a witness on the authority of another and not from his own personal knowledge or observation. And next is the presumptive test and the confirmatory test. Question 3. What are the stages in the practice of forensic chemistry? Explain each of the stages briefly. So first is the collection or reception of the specimen. Second is the actual examination of the specimen. Third is the communication in the result of examination. And lastly, the court appearance. Collection or reception of the specimen is the process of obtaining tissues or fluids for laboratory analysis or near patient testing. It is often a first step in determining diagnosis and treatment. Next is the actual examination of a specimen. Is to collect the specimen in the actual site of infection and avoiding contamination of the tissues. And lastly, the court appearance. The court appearance is the formal act of going in front of judge to have one case decided. One man has been convicted in the crime and 2 others are waiting court appearance. So next question. Discuss the process observed in the scientific method. The process of the scientific method involves making conjectures or hypotheses, deriving predictions from them as logical consequences, and then carrying out experiments or empirical observations based on those predictions. Question 5. What is the difference between presumptive tests and confirmatory tests? Presumptive tests, such as those where a color change occurs, are those that usually identify a class or compounds, whereas a confirmatory test, such as mass spectrometry, is one that conclusively identifies a specific individual compound.